Lately I've been in that fall mood, feeling a bit low and tired. Just scrolling social media, no energy, waiting to stay in bed all day. But then I thought, maybe I should do something to bring a little joy back. So in this video I'll show you 5 cozy DIY ideas for autumn. The first idea came to me after I visited an art museum. I got so inspired and thought, why not make a tiny version of it? First, cut an A4 sheet in half. Then fold both pieces to form rectangles and tape them together to finish one big rectangle. That will be our first room. For the second room, fold another paper into 3 equal parts and tape it to the first one, like in the video. Next, cut out 3 doors. Then take the museum brochures, cut the most interesting pictures and glue them inside. You can decorate it however you like. On the outside, write a love letter. When you open it, it turns into a little 3D museum room inside a letter. This DIY is super simple, but be careful while working with metal. You'll need any empty tin can. First, trace any pictures on paper or just print one out. Place it on the can and tape the edges. Then take a pin, I put a small eraser on the end so it's easier to hold, and start poking holes along the outline of the picture. When you're done, remove the paper and cut out any extra parts. If there are sharp edges left, just bend them inside. And for the final touch, put a small string light inside. The pattern starts to glow and it creates the coziest little autumn light. This idea was inspired by one of my old videos that got a lot of views, so I decided to make an autumn version of it. Take any lipstick and start kissing the paper. Just leave cute lip marks all over it. Then cover them with a tape so the lipstick doesn't smudge and cut along the shape of the lips. Next, take a small wooden stick and roll the paper around it to make a spiral shape. Glue each layer with a hot glue gun. And in the end, get your cozy autumn rose made of kisses. I really love taking photo booth pictures, especially the ones you can print out, so I decided to make a cute felt frame for them. First, draw a shape how you want your frame to look. Then trace it on the felt and make 2 copies. Cut them out and sew them together using a blanket stitch. I tried to show it slowly in the video, but if it's hard to see, just look up blanket stitch tutorial. Next, fill the shape with stuffing and sew it closed. Cut your photo to fit, then take another piece of felt in a matching color and glue it on the back. And that's it, we'll get a little strawberry shaped frame for your photo post pictures. Isn't it lovely? The next DIY is a journaling idea. I decided to document all my recent skincare purchases in my notebook. First, I draw a shopping basket on the page. Then I cut out pictures of the products, either from actual packaging or by drawing and cutting them out myself. I glue the cutouts into the basket and decorate everything with stickers. And just like that, we have a cute themed journaling spread. I hope this video inspires you to create something fun to brighten up your autumn days. Feel free to tag me on social media if you try this idea. I'd love to see your versions. See you soon with more DIYs. Bye bye.